Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to refit your spray arm and feed pipe if it ever comes apart from the top basket. So if you look under here, you see this little curved part right here. That's where the feed pipe would go into and lock in place. That. So it goes up over there and lock it in place. See that? So it goes over on the inside toward the top, and then you lock in place. So if you were to flip this over, this is a better view, and as you can see, so this go in and it has a little tab right here that locks in place around this part. So by holding it up, take your lock nut, and this fits only one direction only, like so. This bigger part screws on here. So as you screw it in, it's gonna lock right here. It's gonna lock it in place here. Now, before I do that, let me show you something else. You notice this little piece is sticking out right here. And there's a little hole right here and here, like a little tab. So this tab would fit into here to lock the back. This go here, so that's support for the back, so it doesn't fall out. See there? That secures that. And the front part is secure under this locking nut. And you just turn this up. Turn, don't over tight. You'll feel a little bit of resistance here. Give it like another turn. Hand tight only. Now, this now secures the feed pipe onto the basket. And now for our spray arm, see how this is moving right here? So this, it turns freely when it sits like that. So the water kind of makes it spin like that. So to tighten it up, there's a push it up, so it catches in these little grooves right here, right there, and that locks it in place while you're threading this back in place. So push it up, and then you turn clockwise, push and turn clockwise, and that's right here. You get a little bit of resistance, give it like a quarter turn more, and that's that. Now with it this way, let's say this is back in the dishwasher, the spray arm can now spin freely. And this is how you refit your spray arm and feed pipe on the middle, or top basket rather, the top basket in your Miele dishwasher. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the little bell so you get notifications for any other new videos I posted. Thank you.